The world's two biggest economies, the US and China, are once again locked in a trade war, escalating tensions in 2024. The story began as the US slapped new tariffs on Chinese imports, promoting retaliatory tariffs from China. Other countries, including Mexico and Canada, are also affected by US tariff policies, increasing global economic uncertainty. While the US aims to leverage its economic power to negotiate better trade terms, this strategy risks price hikes for consumers and manufacturers globally, while also straining diplomatic relations. But the real question is, what's in the day after? The 2026 midterm elections could limit the administration's tariff powers, giving Trump 2 years to achieve his trade war objectives. So the day after might just be the beginning of long and chaotic trade battle. Or share us your thoughts below.